What if you turn off every safety system in a 1,500 horsepower hypercar at 200 miles per hour? No traction control, no stability control, no electronic safety net, just you and raw physics. The Bugatti Chiron produces 1,479 horsepower. That's more power than 10 normal cars combined. It launches from 0 to 60 in just 2.4 seconds, and it can reach 200 miles per hour in under 15 seconds. Now imagine all that power with nothing correcting your mistakes. Modern hypercars are not just engines. They are computers. Hundreds of calculations happen every second. Micro brake adjustments, torque shifting between wheels. Steering corrections so small, you never even feel them. The car is constantly saving you, even when you think you're in control. But switch everything off, and the car stops helping. Now every millimeter of throttle matters. Every steering input matters. At 200 miles per hour, a tiny twitch can unsettle the chassis. Air pressure, downforce balance, tire flex, everything becomes critical. Now imagine something even more extreme, a controlled high-speed drift at 150 miles per hour. Most cars would lose rear grip instantly, but the Chiron's massive rear tires and active aerodynamics push it into the asphalt like a jet fighter. The faster it goes, the more downforce it creates. The rear wing alone can generate hundreds of kilograms of pressure pressing the car into the road. At insane speeds, it actually becomes more stable, until physics says no. But here's the real limit. It's not the engine. It's not the gearbox. It's the tires. At 260 miles per hour, the tires experience forces greater than 4,000 G at the contact patch. They are X-rayed before installation. Yes, X-rayed, because at those speeds, a microscopic defect is catastrophic. So what really happens if you disable everything? The car doesn't instantly spin. It doesn't explode into chaos. It becomes brutally honest. No corrections, no hidden assistance, no silent safety systems, just pure mechanical response. You feel every vibration, every shift in grip, every movement of weight transfer. It demands precision, it demands respect, and it demands skill. At 200 miles per hour, there is no room for ego, only control, only focus, only discipline. Because when electronics step aside, the machine shows its true nature. And the real question becomes, not whether the car can handle it, but whether you can. Could you control 1,500 horsepower without a safety net at 200 miles per hour? Think about that before you ever press the traction control button.